Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe so that you will not miss my upcoming videos. Today we have a very nice and interesting topic, Figma tutorial, prototyping, login, registration, and thank you page. If you are new into Figma, first go and watch this video from my old tutorials. Bal-Dez-One here, how to design a login page from scratch. So I will continue from this page. I just changed the background color and you will see it right away here. So this is the login page and we will create two pages, the sign up page and thank you page, so that we will link those three pages. Now we are going to duplicate this frame 1 to 2 more frames. First we select it and copy here, come to the place where we want to paste, we paste it here, and we come again here, we paste. So we have now 2 more pages. We make this one as the sign up page and this is the thank you page. So let's just come and zoom out and edit this page as a sign up page and try to copy those two to add here. Then how we can do that, we can select this one, come select this one. So those are selected. What we can do, we can copy them, come down below here, paste. Now we can change this one to first name, last name, and this we can leave it as it is, and we change this and this name too. So let's start from here. We can say registration page. Now we have registration here, and now we are good to go with this one. Here we will change also this and get rid of many things here. Let's, for example, start from this one. We have selected those and we can get rid of those selected components from here. Edit, delete. So we will move this one to the middle and this one here. So now we can put a message here to thank the user, like and we change this one message here also to, now we have this message, please click the link below to sign in. Change this one to sign in. Here again we come here, we change to sign in. And now as you can see, we have those 3 pages. Here we can also change this page background here to something more green. Let's see, we have frame 1 selected and we come to this place, prototype view, we go to this present and we click on that. So as you can see now, we have, this is looking better, but when we click on the links, we are not going anywhere. What we can do to link those pages is just to come here and change the mode. We are in design mode actually, and we can go to prototype mode. When we are in prototype mode, you can see this flow 1 shows which page the prototyping will start. If we wanna this one to be the first page or this one, we just drag this one here or drag it here. but we want the login to be the landing page, and we leave it there. So when we are here, we want to connect those two pages. Let me come here, show you. You don't want to click anywhere to go to the sign up page. We just want to click on this one. How we can do that? If, for example, I attach this here to this place, whenever we click on this page, it will send us here. And let me show you here. If the so login and registration. So it's not what we want. What we want is to get from here to here. So this one, how to get rid of, how to remove the connection, we just drag the arrow, send it to an empty canvas, and now it's gone. Let's see here from this place how we can connect our sign up to this one. So whenever we click on this one, sign up page, it will send us to this registration. So let's see it live. And from here, we click on the view. Now we come to this place. Now here, registration. And how we can go back here is to do almost the same. Come here, we click this one, and we drag the arrow from here to here. And now we are in this registration. We click on this one. Now login. Here, sign up, registration. So registration here will be connected to the thank you page. So we come and click there. We connect it here, and this one link will be connected to this one. So now the 3 pages are connected. When we come back here and go back, this is the login page when we want to sign up. So we click here. Now we are in the registration. If we are already registered, we can go back to login. But if not, here again, when we finish this, putting our credentials here, we press register. Now, thank you for registering. Please click the link below to sign in. Then when we click that link, we are back here. So as you can see, now those 3 pages are linked. It will help the design to look more realistic and easy to navigate between pages. And if you enjoyed this one, don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video. And